No matter how powerful the enemy is, if you have confidence and the right strategy, victory will be yours. These powerful words were spoken by the great warrior and pioneer of self rule, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is one of the greatest heroes in Indian history. He not only established the Maratha Empire but also instilled the spirit of self rule and independence. His life symbolized courage, strategy, and justice. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born on February 19, 1630, in Shivneri Fort. His father, Shahji Bhonsle, was a military commander in the Bijapur Sultanate, and his mother, Jijabai, was a deeply religious and idealistic woman. She inspired Shivaji with stories from the Ramayana and Mahabharata, igniting within him a strong desire for Swarajya, self rule. From an early age, Shivaji Maharaj displayed leadership qualities and exceptional warfare skills. At the age of 16, he conquered his first fort, Torna, and later captured several strategic forts. He adopted the guerrilla warfare technique, Ganimi Kawa, which helped him successfully defeat the powerful Mughal and Adil Shahi forces. The conflict between Shivaji Maharaj and the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb is a significant chapter in Indian history. In 1666, Aurangzeb invited Shivaji to Agra and imprisoned him. However, through his intelligence and strategy, Shivaji managed to escape and continued expanding his kingdom. Shivaji Maharaj was not only a brave warrior but also an efficient administrator. He focused on protecting his people, ensuring just governance, and establishing a strong naval force. He implemented strict laws to safeguard women and farmers and did not tolerate any form of injustice. He was not just a warrior but a visionary nation builder. He established an independent Hindavi Swarajya, free from foreign rule. He was the first Indian ruler to create a well-organized naval force, ensuring the protection of the Maratha Empire's western coast from foreign invasions. Shivaji Maharaj controlled and fortified over 300 forts, making his empire nearly impregnable. His exceptional guerrilla warfare tactics made him invincible against the Mughals and other enemies. Social justice was his priority. His administration did not discriminate based on caste, religion, or gender. Women and farmers were given special protection, and he implemented a fair taxation system to reduce the burden on peasants. He reformed the revenue system and promoted religious freedom. He also protected Hindu culture and temples from destruction by foreign invaders. On April 3, 1680, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj passed away at Raigad Fort. However, his legacy remains immortal. His vision of Swarajya was later carried forward by the Peshwas and other Maratha rulers. Even today, his policies and ideals continue to inspire generations. The life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was not just about wars and victories but also about building a strong and just nation. His foresight, bravery, and sense of justice established him as an immortal hero in Indian history. His life teaches us that courage, perseverance, and dedication to self-rule are the true keys to success. Jai Bhavani. Jai Shivaji.